Come test drive the 2014 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power steering, cruise control, power brakes, trip computer, clock, tachometer, cargo area light, electronic brake force distribution. Your new ride is just a phone call away.